Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a super simple recipe. I had leftover shredded chicken from when I cooked it in the slow cooker, and so far I've made chicken salad, I've made chicken sopes, and today I'm going to make chicken taquitos with a green avocado salsa. And this avocado salsa is fire. It's delicious, it's creamy, and it's got a little spice. Under 20 minutes. So if you want to learn how I make my chicken taquitos with avocado salsa, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, we will need shredded chicken, sour cream, queso fresco, some cilantro, lettuce, 6 tomatillos, 1/4 of an onion, 6 serranos. Now for the serranos, if you like less spice, you can use 2 to 3 and it's still gonna be amazing. 1 avocado, some radishes for garnish, 2 garlic cloves, about 1/4 to a little bit less than 1/4 of lime juice, tortillas, and some sea salt. So first thing we're going to do is heat up our pan with some oil, and while it heats up, we're going to go ahead and make our taquitos. And today I'm going to make 4. So we're going to grab our shredded chicken and put it in the middle of our tacos. Okay, and I'm going to roll it up and stick a toothpick through it. You don't have to, but I like to do this just because it keeps it more organized and it keeps it from opening. And just grab the other one and put it right through there as well. Do the same thing with this one. Stick a toothpick through it, and we grab our other taco and we do the same thing. Now this one is not as tight as it should be. See, I always make mistakes, so I'm going to tighten it up a bit, and I'm going to tighten this one up a bit too. You don't want them too loose or the chicken's gonna fall out. So there we go, nice and snug. And here we go. Not the perfect taco roller, but anyway, they're all right. So now we're going to grab our taquitos. Now let me move the camera. Now we're going to grab our taquitos and put them in our pan with hot oil. Make sure the heat is not too high, so you want something like a low to medium. If you put it too high, then the tortillas will just burn and it won't be as nice and it won't taste good. So I'm going to say about 2 minutes on each side. Now once our taquitos are done cooking, we're going to lay them on a paper towel to get rid of any excess oil. And we're going to go ahead and remove the toothpick. We no longer need it. Now we're ready to play with our taquitos. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our 6 tomatillos. We're going to add our serranos, our 2 garlic cloves, our 1/4 of an onion, our avocado, the lime juice, and as far as the cilantro goes, there's really no exact measurement, but if I could measure just a bunch, whatever you can grab with your 3 fingers, that's more than enough. And salt, as always, it is to taste. So I'll be adding some, and if it needs more, I'll just add some more. And that is it. Now we're going to blend our salsa. All right, now that my salsa, and this is what it should look like. Now that our taquitos are fried, I put them on a bed of lettuce, and I'm going to go ahead and place the salsa over our taquitos. And the salsa has a bit of a sour and spicy flavor. The tomatillos tend to be a little bit on the sour side. I'm going to put some queso fresco. And we're going to top with a few radishes. Last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of sour cream. And that is it. And there you have it, our delicious chicken roll tacos with avocado salsa, some queso fresco, sour cream, and radishes. Super easy to make. I mean, literally under 20 minutes. We didn't have to boil the salsa since this one was cold. But delicious. Can't wait to eat it. And there you have it. Super simple chicken roll tacos with a avocado salsa. So delicious. It's a little bit spicy. Like I said, you can definitely do less serranos if you don't like it spicy. You know, I like it spicy. Under 20 minutes with leftover shredded chicken. Now you can make a variety of chicken roll taquitos with a variety of salsas, and I'll be posting on my next video a red salsa. So keep an eye out for it. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.